Once you have bought your Brizy Shop's license, you can activate it at your will. You don't have to use it immediately. You can take your time because activation happens right within your Brizy Cloud dashboard. Let's jump on over to your account dashboard first, because if you have bought it, you should see something more or less the same there. You can see I have my Brizy Cloud subscription here, which is Agency Cloud, and then I also have a shop business over here. I'll click on go to Brizy Cloud, and that takes us to our platform and the dashboard, and this is where the activation will happen. I've created one project here, and it's important that it is a pro project, but by default, it should show you the label that it is pro. Go to the three dots at the top, and you will see here the option to activate the shop. Depending again on how many licenses you've bought, you will be able to activate accordingly that amount of projects. But let's see how this will work. Once I click on Activate Shop, it gives me this dialog box, and it says I can add a store to your website, sell on multiple channels, and manage clients and billing. Then we go up here. Please select a plan to activate. Select the drop down, and you see there is the Shop Venture, Business, and Unlimited. These are the three plans that we currently have. And you can also go for the 14 days trial. Next to Venture, you will see I have 0 licenses. I don't have any. Next to Shop Business, I have 0 out of 5. That means I have 5 licenses that I can use. I can open 5 shops across 5 Brizy Cloud websites. And the 0 indicates that I've used none of them. And then for Shop Unlimited, I have no licenses. Now to activate, click on the one that you want to use. In this case, I only have Shop Business. And once you've selected the package that you want to go with, we select Activate Shop. The project now has been activated for the shop. What is very important though, just to understand what we are working with here, is that once you have a project and you activate the shop on that, you won't be able to use a starter template, and we'll look at that in the next video. What that means is if I click on Edit Project and I go right inside Brizy Builder, I'll get the site that I've installed, and I'll get the shop with some pre-installed products. These are just samples to give you an idea of what is going on here. If you want to use one of the starter templates, that you should do from the very beginning. In the next video, we tackle that. This is then how you activate Brizy Shops, but you also have the option that if you've activated and you don't want to use it anymore on this project, you want to rather use it on a different project, you can deactivate it, and then you get that license back. Go again there to the 3 dots at the top, click on Deactivate Shop, and it will ask you whether you want to deactivate it or not. I'll leave that for now. Let's look at starting with one of the starter demos in the next video.